is an emergency alert notification from the MEMS Medical and Science Society, also known as MMSS. We're here to inform you of current dangers and discrimination to all content creators and fandoms. A group called Two Troll Police, or more well known as Uttp, has recently been harassing and discriminating fandoms and creators like Glitch Studio, SMG4 and more recently Deno Carol Jones. They usually have a profile picture looking like this as shown in the example, and will have Uttp in their name. These are the actions to take if you find one in the YouTube comment section. Don't reply. Don't watch their videos. Report. Thank you for your cooperation.